How to make sure to use blog consistency. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to make sure to use blog consistency. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in this video we'll talk about these four things right here. First one is how to launch a YouTube channel. So what I recommend you to do for this one is to actually make 5 videos with different formats and different styles. So you can launch your channel using these 5 videos and then gather some viewers using that way. The second one is consistency right here. So under the consistency, you need to put in some time of your week in order to make 3 to 4 videos or actually brainstorm or record them. So need to plan ahead. So plan ahead of your content. In that way, you won't get lost, and in that way, you will still be organized. So, in this third one right here, we need to get viewers. So, in that way, we need to actually introduce ourselves using our niche. So, what I recommend you to do is to visit Google Trends. So, let's visit that right now. Just open a new tab, search for Google Trends right here, then click on the first link right here. After that, just click on this right here and just search for something that is related to your niche. So for example, your niche is related to Rolex, for example. So click on explore. After that, just click on this web search right here. Then make sure to click on this YouTube search. Then as you can see right here, we can see the interest over time. So we can see if it is actually trendy right now in order to create the content. Then the fourth thing that we will talk about is how to tell better stories. So there's actually a formula for that. The formula is this intro, problem, solution, and outro. So just make an introduction, present a problem, solve that problem, and then just say goodbye. So in that way, if you solve other people's problem, they will be enticed to watch your channel again. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make sure to use vlog consistency. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!